This is how I took a great loss trading NQ this morning on April 10th. So going into the day, I was a bit of a mixed bias. Originally, I was a bit bullish, right, after seeing this price action here, and I kind of wanted to see a manipulation to the downside before continuing up. And so basically, my outlook on the day was we had this huge daily candle close up high here. We had a daily gap in the middle, and I wanted to see that daily gap hold for potential rebalancing tomorrow. But as of today, I wanted to see this 4-hour fair value gap hold and push us back into the higher part of the range to then leave this daily gap open, right? So that was my outlook going into the morning. I had two key levels marked out in the morning. I had this buy side up here, and I had this sell side down here, right? This was the 1:30 a.m. low, pre-market low. There was an SMT with ES with that low, and yeah, that low just took out. We put in this low. We took out this previous low over here as a 15-minute low and a 1-hour gap and 4-hour gap. So I was waiting to see what type of reaction we had off of that area, and we got that sweep into here. So then after we hit my key level, I'm pretty much just waiting for a bullish reaction, right? So we did have this gap form. We pushed up, right? I marked up this change in state of delivery. At first, I wasn't very confident in it because we had these big wicks here and I wanted to see a clean close above. But then this candle opened 650, pushed down, huge wick. MNQ made a equal low, but NQ actually took this low and tapped into the fair value gap. And then we had a hard close above. So that led me to believe that we were going to go higher. So after this hard closure above, I took this change in state of delivery with my stop just below this previous low time frame low right here. About five micro contracts, risking about $500. Obviously, I got a pretty bad fill. I lost 570, but yeah, so was targeting this high. It would have been 150 points max win on the day, but I thought the draw was higher. Looking back on it with 2020 hindsight, we did fail to break above this bearish gap that was holding us below. We respected the 50% on that push up. And also, I failed to realize that we did have this manipulation right here with the Newswick. So I guess that should have led me to believe that we were going to go lower. And this candle wick, we also tapped back into that 15-minute bearish gap. And then with a change in state of delivery. But I'm not too upset about it because I did expect the higher time frame to hold precedent over the lower time frame because the 4-hour I thought would be bullish and hold that daily gap like I said before. So overall, kind of sucks. One candle loss and then done for the day, but yeah, it was a pretty good trade in my opinion, targeting the high. And yeah, so just gonna keep sticking to this strategy and keep it going. Peace.